This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. That's what today is. Wednesday. The video earnings day. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Wait, there's 0 people here? Why? What did I do? It says 9. Huh. How is there 0 people here when I know Emily's here? Something doesn't seem right. Hold on. Better make sure I'm live before I continue on. Maybe there's a problem. I'm not a problem solver. Oh, you know what? I never sent out Twitter. So I guess I should do that. Oops. I appear to be live. Hey, good morning, Jamari. Okay, so I am live. Okay, I thought that was a problem. Give me a second here. I forgot to send out social media. Oopsie. You was forgetting to do something. Then we'll look at the markets overnight. Why? What are you seeing, Jamari? Well, doesn't Apex post their have like a payout list? Can you look at that and see whether or not if there's anything that matches up with that? Alright, now social media is sent out. Okay. Now we can start looking at the markets and figuring out what the heck's going on. So we dipped, tried to come back up and failed, kinda. Our high 53.49, which was an all-time high last night, and then it dipped down to 34. So still not a huge range, 15 points. And you can see NQ did the same thing, all-time high around the same time, 824, dipped all the way down to 755. That's about 80 points in range. It's trying to come back up now. Kappa, well, you know what? I totally botched today. I didn't move the yellow lines either. Wow, look at the fall on copper though. This is a big fall. It's a huge fall. Wow, that's 400 ticks. Gold. Let's see. About 22 points in range. Ultra bond. 18 to. Yep, the video earnings and FOMC meeting minutes. And just under a point in range there. Crude oil. There's my yellow line. So crude has about a point in range. And natural gas is looking a little, wow, wonky. Wonka. Bitcoin back under 70K. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Let's get ready to rumble. Nice little rise up there. Whoosh. Nope, that's a 5 minute, it's a 1 minute chart. What the heck am I doing on a 1 minute chart? Okay. Let's get back to my 15 seconds. There we go. Oh, is there music? Ah. I always forget to turn off desktop audio after I've had G-Man on the day before. Yeah, it's 432 hertz focus music with binaural beats. So hanging out here around just under 18,800. Like I said, we hit an all-time high last night during Asia at 824. Yes, after the bell today, I meant. For this morning news, do we have news? We have a Fed speaker at 9:40, and U.S. existing home sales at 10, and the crude oil inventories at 10:30. Yeah, I'm not sure why Financial Juice does not have the NVIDIA earnings on their schedule. Usually they have big earnings on their schedule, but it's not there. So it's kind of weird. YouTube must be having a problem because it's showing as 0 people here. Showing 0 views. Hey, Saudi dude. Everything is good. How are you? No, no payouts yet. Doesn't match up, does it, Jamari? Yeah, Apex Discord's just toxic in all ways, which is a shame, but is what it is. Nice drop. We're dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot, bouncing like a ball. Oh, sorry. Yeah, what's that Saudi dude? They do not. No, once once you're moved over to the live account, this you don't have to keep anything in there. I mean, it's smart to keep it in there because that way you don't blow the account with one bad trade, but you can do what you want. Yes, I would agree with that. Continuing to drop down to 789. What did I say the overnight low was? 755. So we're about mid-range between top and bottom. But ES is actually hitting a new low for the day. It looks like Dow's trying to bounce off a low. Popping up. Up enough to pop it up. Morning, Chris. My opinion, Saudi dude, is everybody should start with one account and prove that they can both, be consistent with it and get a couple of payouts, and then start expanding into more accounts. That way, you're not spending a lot of money on accounts and then just blowing them. So prove to yourself that you can keep one account, and then once you've done that for a couple months, then start getting more accounts. Yeah. That's good. I'm glad you're doing it that way. It's too many people jump in. They see that, somebody allows 10 or 20 accounts, and they jump in with delusions of grandeur in their mind, and then they're just, or what's even worse is, they're someplace that has, the PA fees. They grab 10 accounts. They actually pass them because evals are, easier to pass now than they were in the past. They pay a couple $1,000s in PA fees, and then they blow them all, and that's harsh. Nice little move up. Grabbed it on a top step. Don't know why I didn't take that blue candle right there. Should have. That would been nice. Yeah, there you go. Exactly. That is the best way to handle it. Excellent. Perfect, 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 Saudi dude. Earn a Trade has one of the best payout policies. Earn a Trade has some other issues that I hound them on. Matter of fact, I got fired from being an unpaid mod on their Discord because they didn't like a video I put out. Earn a Trade's just has some things that they should change. Hey, Nico, how you doing? Just some things that they refuse to change. Like they have a progression ladder, and they finally did make a change where it doesn't fail you. It up until a couple months ago, if you accidentally put in too many contracts, it failed you. But now it still locks you out for the day. So you end up losing a day of trading if you accidentally put in too many contracts. Um, they still fail you if you accidentally hold a trade in the close. Most companies now, just liquidate that trade and don't fail you. Their profit split is like the second lowest in the industry. Um, they still fail on daily loss limit. Um, I don't like the fact that their end of day for the eval and the live sim, but then their intraday in the actual live account. Um, yeah, they don't allow copy trading. One of the few that don't allow copy trading. No trade of 8, of course, which isn't that big of a deal, but they've refused to change as the industry's changed. So stupid. They totally have the ability to not penalize people for the progression ladder thing. And I mean, while it's great that they no longer fail you, the fact that you still end up losing a trading. Oh yeah, and they finally reduced it from 15 days to 10 days for the number of trading days, but that's still one of the highest in the industry. Well, I mean, yeah, but well, for you, Saudi dude, because of your country limitations, earn to trade is probably one of the best. So yeah, Jamari, got to remember he's in Saudi Arabia, and a bunch of the props don't accept him. But yeah, if it was somebody that no limitations, Topstep, MMFU, TradeDay, all if you only want one account. Well, I mean, you can have a full payout and earn a trade too. The Topstep, uh, the payout policy is not quite as good. You need 5 days of $200, but they have other stuff that makes them better overall. 90-10 profit split. You actually get to keep 100% of the first. I think it's $10,000. So you're not splitting that first money. No consistency rules in funded on Top Step either. Yeah, if you're not going to be consistent for a month, then you probably shouldn't be on a funded account. But you only need 5 days at $200 to start getting payouts on Topstep. But and like I said, the profit split's better, the rules are better. Like on Earn to Trade, if you hit your daily loss limit in the funded, you blow it. It's gone. On Topstep, you're just locked out for the day. It's impossible to break the progression ladder. Right. But I mean, unless you really explode on your first day, you shouldn't be taking a payout on your first day anyway. Morning, Moxie. How you doing? Yeah, there is that. MMFU is definitely edgy. Coming back down. So we got back up to like 797 coming back. Talk about a backhanded compliment. Oh, my number one is Blue Sky. I think everybody knows that. No, they will never allow 20 accounts. They think it's wild that anybody allows 20 accounts. Good morning, John. How are you? Nice, John. Yeah. What's up about Flexi, John? Blue Sky is the company that cares about its traders, Jamari. They want their traders to succeed. They're great people. I work with Josh regularly. They don't want people churning accounts. I mean, they offer free coaching. They're just nice people. Free coaching once you're funded. They're just nice people. Blue Sky would love if all of their income came from just traders on the live brokerage account making money and then getting their percentage. I mean, if you keep your consistency below 25% of the evaluation, you get your eval fee back, eval fee back, and they have no funded setup fees. So basically, any eval you take with Blue Sky could be free, completely free, if you keep your consistency under 25% in the eval. They're just they're just awesome to work with. You can tell when talking to them that they're not like an Apex or whatever that's just looking for gamblers and people that are churning accounts. They want legitimately want everyone to succeed. Okay, first off, Flexi does not work on NinjaTrader, and yes, you can, Saudi dude, and um, so you want the rhythmic password on their site? It's a good question. Let me go look. Yeah, remember they're the ones that you needed to use Quant Tower for, John. Yeah, no setup fees. And honestly, John, at this point, I mean, I think you would probably be happier to cancel it. Is there? They still have credit card processor issues. So if you get it funded, you're gonna have to deal with a company that's a crypto company. So we're long off that blue candle. Where's my stop? Stop! Where are you? There you are. Good morning, Crypticon. Nice to see you. Hello, Forex Analysis. How are you? I mean, if Flexi ever gets their credit card processor situation fixed, I think they can be a good company. But yeah, right now there are issues. Nice. Jamari. 1973, was that Vita Blue? Palmer. Close. Okay, I got you. I was confused. Too much going on at once. Good morning, G-Man. Taking it off the table there for 5 points. Looks like that might be a good decision. So, first win of the day. See you, Crypticon. Nice seeing you. Was that the, John, was that the year that Baltimore had 4 20-game winners? Thank you, Saudi dude. I think I was 71. I mainly stick to the NQ Forex analysis. Quayler or whatever is another one that rings a bell for me. I don't remember who the fourth was. Ah, McNally. There we go. That's something we'll never see again. Although, John, have you seen Ranger Suarez? Well, that's what I said. Have you seen Ranger Suarez? 9-0, first pitcher to have a nine at first to win their first 9 decisions and have a ERA under 1.50 since Juan Marichal in 1966, and only the fourth ever to do it since earned runs became a statistic back in 1913. Sideways here. Yep, Giants Juan Marichal. Yep. No, I have an Apex funded account. I have a Bulenox eval. I have a Flexytrade eval. I have a Phoenix Trader funding eval, and probably something else I'm forgetting. Nice move up. Trying to reclaim 800 here. Yeah, one up is one you never hear about because they never run sales. Yeah, but I mean that 66 innings though is the most in the majors, John. He's leading the major leagues in innings pitched. Oh, there we go. It's 802. Pulling back. All right, Saudi dude. We'll see you later. Awesome. Yeah, I haven't really kept up on the a lot of the other stats this year. Little dip here. Morning, Speed Racer. Sitting here, we are about 10 minutes from the top of the hour, 40 minutes from the bell. Gotten one win on Topstep, one win on Blue Sky so far this morning. Did not take any trades on NKD last night. At the NKD Open, I was having my integrity attacked in the Discord. I was dealing with that. Dropping here. I mean, yeah, I could kick somebody if I wanted to. It's a good point, Gmail. We'll see if we get a repeat. As we head toward the FOMC meeting minutes in the afternoon and NVIDIA earnings. Taking the long. That one might be iffy. That one might be iffy. We'll see. Stop is 5 points. Ah, there we go. Got up to 803 there, sitting at 801. If it gets up to 803, we might just take it there. It's just going a couple points, but well, hey, touched that 803 again. See if it breaks through. Break on through to the other side. Did for a second. I should have took it. Let's try. There we go. It's having a haul in there at 803. Eh. Morning, Sid. How are you? Doing great. Hey, Hassan, how are you going? How's the farm, Sid? Just can't get through here. We might stop one tick in and just let it roll. That's a positive outlook there, Hassan. Come on. Breakthrough, 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 breakthrough. That was probably annoying, huh? I have moved Bulenox above Apex at this point. It's not breaking. I'm taking it off the table for a win. 2 is a 9 ticks there. We'll see. End up see what happens. I mean, Apex just has a track record. I like knowing who owns them, things like that. Yeah, they do. Chung. Blue Sky does have probably the hardest eval. I admit that. Oh, I disagree. They're not going to make it that nobody gets payout. That would totally kill their business. The non-static evals are because they're intraday drawdown and they have a daily loss limit. So yeah, the but this I mean that I always recommend the statics with Blue Sky now. Best static drawdown in the business. By the way, study dude, uh, just a pet peeve of mine. If I'm in a trade or whatever, please don't tell me how to manage it. You know, I don't. I've had literally dozens of people try to tell me how to trade, and it just I end up it ends up messing my mind mentally. Bulenox just for one thing, the consistency rules better in funded, but they just have less hoops to jump through anymore. It seems like Apex is making everyone jump through hoops with this new stuff. Bulenox is just quietly, running. You don't hear many payout denials about Bulenox. I know many people have gotten paid by Bulenox. They're just good, quietly good. Apex maybe letting their success get to their head here, and they're overreacting to some stuff that some other traders did, and now punishing everybody. I mean, if, Apex is now right behind Bulenox. I moved. I mean, if you had me rank them, but you know, it's just a feeling right now. There's nothing wrong with Apex, at least not that I'm seeing yet. But it's just Bulenox gives me more confidence right now in just how the traders are being treated. Yeah, there you go. And what Moxie just said, the rules are more black and white, whereas you're getting into lots of 50 shades of gray. Not in that way with Apex. Saudi dude, this is what we're talking about. How things come across badly here. Yeah, Son, I think he was talking more about Saudi, not you. But yeah, and G-Man Hassan was joking if you did mean him, but me and Hassan we joke around about this stuff all the time on the Discord. We know each other really well, so we can definitely go back and forth like that with the banter. Okay, that's what I thought, but I wanted to make sure it was clear. Now I will say Saudi dude and I did talk on Discord, voice call the other day. I do think some of what's seen here is just more typing language barrier type stuff than what it appears. Have you not been listening to me, Chong? Yeah, one day pass, wonderful. If it's great for gamblers who want to, prove that they can go big or go home. But there's no reason to just pass in one day just to blow your funded account. Have you? I mean, Bulenox, yeah, it's what 5 days. I mean, you can't be patient enough for 5 days. It's like one day pass is not that not all that in a bag of chips. Again, Bulenox, better payout rules, better consistency rule, no hoops that you're jumping through that Apex has recently implemented. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can trade. Yeah, I mean, you can trade news on Bulenox. I mean, it's still you still got the consistency rule. Um, the other thing is another thing. A lot of people, I don't know if you use any automated, any automated trading, bot trading, algo trading, whatever. Bulenox allows algos as long as it's not high frequency trading. Apex doesn't. Oh, nice pop. Where'd that come from? It's 40%, Hassan. Isn't it 5 days and not 10, Moxie? Oh, payout. Okay, for payout. Never mind. I apologize. I was thinking eval. I got you. Yeah, that's the other thing. Apex really doesn't allow you to uh, have scratch days for your payout for the consistency rule, whereas Bulenox does. Sorry, a lot going on this morning. I believe it's 10 days, Chong. Nice pull down. I should have grabbed that purple. I didn't. That was a quick burst. That was a volume spike, and I missed it. Guess one day I need to do a Bulenox versus Apex video. See, my top four is Blue Sky, Topstep, Bulenox, Apex. I guess number 5 would be MyFundedFutures. I I'm being told that they are paying out, Chong. I just don't like the fact of how they're doing their credit card processor. I've pretty much stopped promoting them until they get a real credit card processor. So we got up to 813, dropped back down to 800. Crude oil opening. Look at the fall. So we had that volume spike. So when G-Man and me talk about these volume spikes, here it was. Look at that volume candle. Look how big it was compared to all the others. Volume spiked up. The fact that I did not take that purple candle hurts. Because you can see this was the start of this reversal down. And I bet you we go down into the open. And then we'll see where we go from there. Right here, it's reached 813. It's dropped about 20 points. Well, I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure what to see. I'm not sure what kind of driver NVIDIA is on their earnings day. I know when the earnings are announced, it can. I remember one time watching NQ shoot up like 150 points. Look at this, just a dead fall. That's something happened. I guess I should check that. Huh? What did I see? There's a bounce. Blue candle pop. Let's see. I lost my. There it is. Back down. Trying again. I'll try along there. Keep the stop at the low there. See if it pops back up. Not gonna stay in it long though, because I'm not sure. Like I said, I thought we might go down to the open, so we'll see. This could be a up, pop up, and right back down. So I have my finger on the close button. I got my finger on the trigger. Some traders wonder why, but trading NQ, it's do or die. Hey, RJ. All we are saying is give ES a chance. Those tight vans. Vans are only 3 points apart. How are you today, RJ? All right. Good morning, Ace. I'm now imagining a toga party. Oh, look at this running. I stayed in that move there as it was trying to pull back. And I'm gonna close here. Let's see. Maybe not. Come on. Come on. Come on. Uh, There we go. Target hit 10 points. Woo! Thank you, Ace. Break time. Yeah, I probably won't take another trade now before the bell. I'm actually, what? It's one, three good trades on. Excuse me, Blue Sky. One win on Topstep today, so 4 for 4. 4 for 4. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, Jamari. I mean, I mean, looking at NQ, yeah, this looks like a good short area, but I'm staying out for now. There's actually a little bit of a volume. It is a volume increase. Not sure I'll call it a spike. Now the possible drop. Woof. Woof, 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 woof. Oh, sorry. Who let the dogs out? Oh, yeah, I saw Petco missed earnings. Wow. Ooh, that would have been nice. I actually have like $20 in a brokerage account. I didn't realize Petco is that low in price. And BZFD, BuzzFeed. Ooh, that's a nice rise. Also very cheap. Oh wow, that would have been great to catch. Yeah. Did you see this one? Let's see, I think I just had it up. CTNT, what it did the other day? Started the day, well, no, hold on. Was down at 320 and went up to $45. And now it's back down to $1. Yeah, I like cheap because I have like 20 bucks. I What's AMC doing? Because I actually took a trade on AMC the other day, but apparently I got in at the end of the craze. It's bad at my entry. I can get out of AMC and into something else if I can catch it. Yeah. Ace, you should have. Well, no, I'm not sure. What's ES doing over there? Maybe you should have went short. NQ got up to 812s, dropped back down by 10. Ooh, big drop real quick. Down to 800. 2 minutes, I think. Ace may be having a stroke. I'm not sure. Pops up to 812. Up, down, left, right. Wow. Whoosh. Now 814. What was the overnight high? Overnight high 824. Ooh. Keeps going higher than getting batted back down. I'm gonna put whoosh. Well, wait. I guess I'm gonna put whoosh on a shirt with a trading chart. Oh, I should. That'd be cool. I need to design that shirt. A chart with a big candle and the word whoosh. Up to 820. Short. Maybe a mistake, but we'll see. Yep, it was a mistake. Ouch. Now this gave back over half my profit, but that's okay. Bad read. I mean, technically it was an okay read if I had gotten it on the first red candle instead of the second. Still rising. There's new high day on NQ. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. Nice. Great job, Sid. Ah, I accidentally went short. Out. Hit the button accidentally. So I'm just giving back profit now. That's okay. Ace, not a lot of news catalysts. Heading into a holiday weekend. Should have stayed in that short. or maybe not. Yeah, I know that, but I'm saying without the news catalyst, we're getting a lot of choppiness and no real momentum is what I'm saying. Yeah, should have stayed in that short. Did take it on Topstep though, $200 win or 10-point win, I should say. Excellent. So Nvidia falling right now. Guess that would be explaining why NQ's falling. Oh wow. Yeah, Nvidia is way too rich for my blood. Falling again, heading back down toward 18,800 after hitting a new all-time high. Ooh, hope no one heard that belch. Ace is long, folks. Long on ace. Ooh. Ouch. NQ dumping. Back down to 800. Glad you got the point, ace. Little volume dippity do there. Falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Oh, whooshy whoosh. Down to 790. Bounce. Playing the bounce. Ouch. Come on. You had some momentum. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Ouch. Just hit the mic. I apologize. Ouch. It's coming back down to bite me. Maybe back up. Maybe. Nope, nope, nope. Yep, maybe. No. Nope, I'm out. It might be trying again. Long again. Stop is the bottom of that blue candle. See the wick on the candle before it. Nice. Nice, ace. Nice, nice. Ace is secured too. Remember my rule about sitting on hands. Occasionally take them out so you don't lose feeling and don't fart. Target hit, 10 points. Boom. So I could have stayed in that original trade, obviously. I think I got out break even there. Let's see. Yeah, I did. I got out break even. So that was this commissions. And then I went back in off the blue candle and got my 10. Both trades were valid. I really felt like I obviously I took those losses a little bit ago. I did one bad read there, and then the other one was an accidental. I hit the button, but I feel like I'm really reading the market well right now today. Nice. It's amazing how many tickers you can watch. You are just amazing with that. So we got back up to 818, pulls back a little, trying to give me a tiny little, it's bigger than a tiny little blue candle. We're long off that blue, see if it continues. Dangerous spot, not going. Come on. Ouch, nope, ow, 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 ow. Took a haircut there. 3 points. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have jumped out that quick. Just didn't seem like I wanted to go, so that might have been a bad read on my part. Yeah, now it's, well, we'll see what it does. Hey, Burrow, how you doing today? Yeah, you need to get yourself better or quit your job so you don't need to go in when you're sick. Yeah, ended up, I guess I'm okay where I got out there. I could have got 5, I guess. It still looks like it's trying. We're doing pretty good, Burrow. We're doing pretty good. Up here it goes. It's gonna get back up to highs. A should be out with the bus, I believe. Continuing to rise here. What was our high? We're close. 26th quarter. Great job, Jamari. So are you done now, Jamari? Then be done. There we go. New highs. That's new all-time highs. 828, 29, 30. Do I hear 31? Whoosh. Oh, a quick fall. Quick fall, McGraw. Excellent, Sid. You're on fire. And fuego. Triangle long here off that blue candle. Try to stop of just 3.5 points. See what we get. ATR is really low. Not a lot going on here, so this might not work. Nope. Yeah, it's coming back down. stopped. Yep, stopped and now heading back up. Yay. Should have went for the wider stop. That's okay. Yeah. Too risk averse there. Couple minutes. U.S. existing home sales news coming up. Be careful. Yeah. Should not have made my stop that tight. I could have got 5 points off that trade. Still in your trade. Excellent, Ace. Remember, we got news coming up in a little over 2 minutes. RJ, you still in? Your runner still running? They say it is a marathon and not a sprint. School end this week, Ace, or next week? I have NVIDIA here somewhere. Oh yeah, NVIDIA dropping hard. Dropping hard. So I figured most stop before Memorial Day now. So no more bus duty shortly. RJ is still in his trade. Here comes NQ popping back up. Now we made a slightly lower high over here. Let's see if it breaks through there. It does. Oh, he's for a poke. Oh, boom. Whoosh. Ooh, I did a boom whoosh. 32.75 new high. Big wick. Short. Volume spike. Big wick. Looks like it's not going to work. Maybe. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, Conrad Chameleon. G-Man's a big basketball fan. You shouldn't lie. Fibs are not good. You should not lie. Coming down. Come on, come on, come on. I actually played that volume spike pretty good, I think. If it gives me what I want, what I really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. Struggling here though at 819. Do I take it off? Do I take it all off? I should have taken it off. Ouch, I should have taken it off. I'm out. Ooh, I think I got profit on it though. Yeah, I got 2 ticks of profit. Coming right back down. Darn it. Have a great day, Joe. That's great trading. That's probably past his expiration day there, Ice. Probably got it at Costco. That's what she said. So I didn't play that well, but I was right. I just didn't stick in it once it came back at me a little bit there. It would have given me 10. Popping. Excellent, Chase. Excellent. Ooh, coming back down here. Quick fall. We're short off that purple. Boom, 10 points. Volume spike. I didn't take the volume spike, but it looks like it's working. Yep, volume spike's working. Big fall in gold there. Gold new low a day. Trying to hang on to 2,400. Ultra Bond's having a good day. Crude's having a bad day. Copper having a very bad day. Bitcoin having a bad day. Yeah, Hassan, yeah. Gold dropped below 24, trying to hold it. That's insane. Kind of went a long gold. Not on that account. Not on that account. Oh yeah, that's the one I want actually. Give me GC. And Q just playing around in 819. What? That doesn't give you the emotions. And the gold really falling. Wow. Yeah, but you really have money on the line. You want that. You want to pass the test. You paid for and you paid for the evaluation. Back up to 828. Gold's still not ready to bounce. And Q's just sitting here right now, right below 830. Wow, look at that. Gold down to 23.95. Popping up. What's your target, RJ? I forget. Short on NQ off that purple. Not going. Another purple. That's going. Taking it there. 3.5 points. Little wins, little wins. Wow, look at gold just drop. Look at that. Nice bounce there on NQ. NQ coming back down. Crude oil inventory is coming up in less than 10 minutes. Ooh, look at the drop there on NQ. And the bounce, vote volume spike there. Ooh. Long. Long may have been erroneous. Well, gold coming right back down. Trying again. Can you get through this spot? There you go. We were stopped up just a little bit underneath that blue candle. There we go. Out. Falls down. Small wins adding up. Remember, we're streaming tonight again. 7 to 9 Eastern. Look at this gold. We'll even look at a 15-minute chart. Look at that. High for the day, 24.30. It's just hit 23.87. So down 43 points here. And in the last half hour is mosted at 18 and 9, so 27. Bounce on NQ. Crude oil inventory is in less than 30 seconds. Excuse me 1 second. I'm back. Did you miss me? Tick on gold is $10. And this drop has now been about 500 ticks. There is a micro on it as well. That's only $1 a tick. Trying along there with that blue candle. That might have been a mistake. Or maybe not. There we go. Come on. Ah, out. Took a point. And yet, I kind of having a really good day. I mean, it's a small day, but I'm up. If you want to look at it money wise, I'm up $430 on Blue Sky. Yeah, why? Well, they're on sale for 50% off. Grindy here now on NQ. Grindy, grindy. That's, yeah, Jamari, that's correct. Correct. I would appreciate if you would use my link, but no pressure. It's not like I would ever know if you did or didn't. We're chopping till we're dropping. I mean, they're still getting. I mean, they're still seem to be doing all right. So I took the long on the Topstep X on gold, and I got 31 ticks on it, $310. Entry price 23.89 out 23.92 Could have stayed in, obviously. It's kind of hanging. Hmm. Well, I took a loss on that particular Topstep account first, so that one I'm now green by 187. Blue Sky, I'm up about 430. About 20 minutes to go in the stream. Crude's light gains inventories heading up. Quick push down there on NQ. The heck was that? I think just flashed on my screen. I have no idea what it was. Oh, quick fall. And keep back down. Definitely rangy. That range. Home on the range. Home sweet home. Ooh, whooshy whoosh. Nice fall. So 15 minutes to go. How's everybody finishing up at the morning? Good. Looks like it wants to come up again. We're long. Might give back. We shall see. Struggling at my entry point, of course. Oh, there we go. Oh, but right into the bands. Ouch. fighting. Yep. Mm. Looks like it's gonna now take about $100 from me. Yep, there it goes. And little bounce there. Falling. Still hanging on the 800 though. Remember, we're streaming tonight. Hope you'll join me then. Yeah, good day for a nap. Trying to head higher. Can it take us higher? Sorry. Stretching. Ooh, that was a nice boost. Ooh, yeah, gold pulling right back down. Oh yeah, KD, a little rise up there. Little rise up. Wow. Let's see you do that next time I do an overnight stream, Marja. So we're ending here almost at highs. The high of the day was 32. We're at 19. But that is all we have for today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And then tomorrow it's 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll see you that next time. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.